If you want to create a folder in the home screen on Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, what you can do is you can press and hold your finger on the first app that you wish to have in the folder, and then drag and drop it to the top of the other app that will also be included in the folder. Over here we can tap on folder name section in order to set the name for our folder. We can also choose a different color, and there we go. As you can see, we have our folder here. We can also enlarge it, make it a little bit bigger if you want to. And if you want to keep adding apps, then of course you can do this. You can simply drag and drop like this. And you can also go to the folder and press this plus button in order to select all apps that you wish to add into the folder. And that is pretty much it. Another way to create a folder is by once again pressing and holding the finger this time. Just press and hold on the first app and press select, and then you can select multiple apps that you wish to add to the folder, and then in the top right corner we have create folder, and there we go. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!